In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Denver. We'll start by going straight to the official Denver County Court online payment portal. Using the official site ensures your information is secure and that your payment is applied correctly. If you're browsing from the City of Denver's website, you can also reach the payment portal through the Traffic Enforcement and Safety page, which links you to the same trusted system. Once you're on the portal, look for the option to search for your ticket or case. You can locate your record using a case number, a ticket or citation number, or by entering your name along with your date of birth. If you have your case or ticket number handy, use that for the quickest match. If not, entering your name and date of birth works well. Just make sure your details match exactly as they appear on your citation. After you search, the system will display any eligible cases along with outstanding fines and fees associated with them. Take a moment to review what appears on screen to confirm you're looking at the correct ticket. This is also a great time to double check the violation details and amounts before moving forward. Next, review the options available for your case. Depending on what the court allows for your citation, you may be able to pay the fine online, enter a plea of guilty or no contest, or request a hearing or plan to appear in court. Keep in mind that paying online usually counts as an admission of guilt, which means points may be added to your driving record depending on the violation. If you're unsure how a plea or payment could affect your record, take a moment to consider those consequences before you continue. If you choose to pay online, Denver County Court generally accepts major credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, and Discover. Cashier's checks or money orders are typically reserved for mail-in or in-person payments, and traffic ticket payments are not usually accepted by phone. Have your payment details ready, review the total carefully, and enter your information only on the secure payment page. After your payment is submitted, you'll see a confirmation screen. Save this immediately, take a quick screenshot, download or print the receipt, and keep it until your case shows as resolved. That confirmation is your proof of payment and can help if there are any questions later. And that's it. By following these steps, you can handle your Denver traffic ticket online quickly, confidently, and securely.